Okay, you are very stupid.
Come on here.
You are very. Okay, hold on. Hold on, let me show you that. Even me, I have money. Koifi. You just the cash out. Up and show me the way now. Which is your vlog?
This is the way. The updates. If you get this thing for this country now, big boy.
POS. So money is a POS business.
Outside, somebody come withdraw 20,000. 14 to net my charges. You don't complain.
No need there there too.
Did you that? I go work again.
Okay, now later now we will see. Oh, Koifi. Money man.
Alaja.
Oh, Koifi my G.
Alaja.
Now so you be. Okay. No problem.
Today is that day. Another day. Another cash out. Now we the rain.
Hey! That day of our Lord. Amen.
Jesus!
Aja!
The blood of Jesus. Sodom and Gomorrah.
Aja, what be this now? Eh? What did they do for you?
Okoifi, where do you take me for?
God have mercy upon us.
No, tell me, Okoifi, where do you take me for? Okay, Okoifi, you think that it's only you that need money. You think that only you that she's in need of money. Me too, I'm in need of money. I have people that they are doing contribution on my hair. If I make money, I'll go and give them.
Don't be open your. You go there now. You go that side of shift. This one, I me get here already. Organ no now.
How? Show me your evidence and now you get this place. Where is your proof that this place is your place? This one she's your old piece. This one she's my old piece. What's the problem there?
Okay,
you are very stupid.
come on here.
You are very. Okay, hold on. Let me show you that. Even me, I have money. So I have money on my head. Nonsense.
My table is thrown away.
Show me you can't my table. You are going to throw it.
Look at my table.
Leave me alone.
Who do me like this?
Look at this. Look at my
Another
table.
way anything.
Look at my
Another way anything.
Look at my
Leave me.
Carry my table.
Another carry anything.
Carry my table.
Another carry and do your voice.
I do my what? You know who I be?
Who are you?
You know who I be?
You said, do you know who I am?
Who you be?
I am Aisha baby number 1 sugar mommy or Lagos.
Forget sugar mommy. I finish with you. Go turn soft mommy.
You can do nothing but a dead right. You cannot do anything. Don't wrong. Don't do what I should. The very table now.
I want withdraw.
Drop my table.
You carry my table. Go back.
I know that.
I want withdraw. You know they carry go back.
Touch my table.
See, I want withdraw. Wait.
If you should not draw this table, then the body is going to surface on this planet Earth.
Aisha.
Say don't do what a burro back. If I unleash it, then the body is going to surface. Nonsense, idiot.
Aisha.
And then leave me alone.
Aisha.
Don't call me. Leave me. Wait.
The salon boy who do me like this? Who do me like this? Who do me?
Okoifi, don't tell my POS.
What is your POS?
Okoifi. My POS. People money.
The contribution.
Nigeria, why is that if POS? I'm quite over. I am devastated. I am downcasted. I am heartbroken. Okoifi, they're killing me. Okoifi, they're killing me.
People money. Alaja. Aisha. Hey.
Allah, now you guys this. Now you guys this stuff. Now you guys that.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.